So hello guys and welcome back to Fan of Stationery. So here is the logo. So that's something. Anyways, uh, this is the thing that we have got today. So it's Flair Creative Good Luck Kit. So the main thing that attracted me to this thing is this donut eraser. Like this is pretty nice actually. So let's see the things that it has. Let's see things. So it has got one kit and one kit contains, oh okay, sorry, that's the thing, the pieces, the products in this thing is here: one piece Flair pen, one piece Flair wooden pencil, one piece Flair donut eraser. That is the main thing that I want. Anyways, one piece Flair sharpener and one piece Flair scale 15 centimeter. So one kit. So the price is, I mean, it has got a discounted price, so the price is 20 rupees. For 20 rupees it is a pretty great deal. Like the actual price you can see here is 31 rupees, but now it is selling for 20 rupees. It's a pretty great thing, like good for stationery lovers. So that's the thing. So let's open up this thing and see what all it has. Let's open. Okay, it's a pretty tight fit. Like, I'm not being sexual here. I mean, anyways, let's go. So this are the things that we have. Okay, this is the cutter. So it's a pretty unique kind of cutter. You can see over here. Like every cutter is not like this. Like here you can see an Apsara's cutter. So it's like this, but this thing is on a different level. It has also got a very small scale. Like when compare this to Apsara's cutter, like it is small. So it's a unique cutter. Anyways, let's put that aside. Then we have got the pen. So the name is Flair Plug. So this is the pen's name. So we are going to open up this pen and look at the thing. So this is the pen. So it has also got a very clear, clean body. The grip is plastic, like it has no separate grip section in this thing. So that's one thing to see. Then what? Then we had to remove that. Let's remove that. So the nib is pointed, so it has got a point needle tip. I mean, not needle, but we don't know whether how much the nib size is, because it is not written over the pen. Like, is it 0.7, 0.5? We don't know that. Like, we only know that it has a nib. Okay, anyways, that's one thing. Next, I mean, a thing to note later. Anyways, this is the scale. So the scale is like this. It has got a unique design. Like, this is like this. Yeah, it's a 50 centimeter scale and it is blue themed. Like we can see blue color over here, like when we, yeah, blue themed scale. That's one thing. Now let's go to the main part, the donut eraser. Like literally this is a pretty great eraser. I will not rub with it, I guess. I will put this in a showcase or something like that. Like literally, this is the best eraser that I have seen so far. Like it's a donut. Like the texture is very good. Yeah, the donut texture is pretty nice. Is it removable? Let's see. Oh, it's removable. Let's remove it. So this is the thing. Like when we remove it, there is two things like this, like connecting this thing with this thing. So this is the don't. Anyways, this is the thing. It's a design feature. Anyways, you saw what is there. So this is the overall thing that I have to say. So this is the overall thing. So we have got a donut eraser, a pen, and one scale, and one cutter, and one pencil. Oh, I did not show you the pencil. So the pencil is Flair Pastilla. So it's a good pencil, I guess. I don't know whether it's extra dark, like the nibs are dark. We'll test that in the future. So that's something. Yeah, this is things. These are the things that are available in this Flair Creative Good Luck Kit. Yeah, these are the things. So I would rate this thing a solid 8.9 out of 10 because it has got this much things, and it gives these things for 20 rupees. Like this pen costs like 10 rupees, this eraser costs like 5 or 10 rupees or something like combining both of this. I mean, both of these things cost like 20 rupees, but it is giving them, I mean, giving more stuff in this small package. So yeah, that's what I like about this thing. And yeah, that's what I have to say. So thank you for watching this channel, and subscribe for more such stationery videos like this. Thank you. Over and out.